Swagbucks review. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can simply use Swagbucks and all of its different pros and cons and features. So over here, as soon as you guys come on to swagbucks.com, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. So over here, you guys can see their tagline, which is to basically put cash back in your wallet. So essentially, they offer cashbacks on many different stuff, and that is what they're famous for. And over here, you can also see some of the biggest names in the printing press mentioning them. So this just goes to show that they are actually legit. Over here, you guys can see all the different ways through which you can earn money. You can earn money by simply shopping online and getting cash back, watching entertaining videos, searching the web, answering surveys, and finding great deals to earn your points. You can also get free gift cards as well. And also, they've paid over $746 million to their members, which is a ridiculous amount of money. So guys, what are you waiting for? I mean, you guys can definitely get your fair share from this website, and you guys can just do the most fun stuff like shopping online, watching entertaining videos, searching the web, answering surveys, and finding great deals to earn your points. To get started, click on sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, or simply put in your email address, password over here, and you guys can sign up and get started. So guys, this was the video, and this was a brief review of Swagbucks. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow. Take care. Till next time, goodbye.